How to close an LLC in Maryland. Dissolving an LLC in Maryland involves a series of important steps to ensure compliance with state regulations. This guide provides a clear roadmap for successfully closing your LLC while protecting yourself and your members from future liabilities. Step 1. Review your LLC's operating agreement. Before initiating the dissolution process, it's essential to review your LLC operating agreement and articles of organization. These documents often contain specific procedures for dissolution, including the required voting threshold and notice periods. Understanding these provisions ensures compliance with your internal rules and helps facilitate a smooth dissolution process, minimizing potential disputes among members. Vote to dissolve the LLC. Once you've reviewed the necessary documents, convene a meeting of the LLC members to discuss and vote on the dissolution. It's crucial to follow any notice requirements outlined in your operating agreement to ensure all members are informed. Document the meeting minutes clearly, noting the outcome of the votes, as the record will be important for legal and administrative purposes. Settle debts and liabilities. Before proceeding with a formal dissolution, settle all outstanding debts and liabilities of the LLC. This includes paying off creditors and resolving any financial obligations. Addressing these issues is vital to prevent future claims against the LLC or its members. Ensuring that all financial matters are settled will facilitate a smoother dissolution process and protect individual members from personal liability. Obtain tax clearance certificates. In Pennsylvania, obtaining tax clearance certificates is a critical step before filing for dissolution. You must request these certificates from both the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue and the Department of Labor and Industry. These documents confirm that all taxes have been paid and that there are no outstanding liabilities. Having these certificates ensures compliance with the state regulations during the dissolution process. To officially dissolve your LLC in Maryland, you must file Articles of Cancellation with the Maryland State Department of Assessment and Taxation. This can be done either by mail or in person at their office. Complete the necessary form and include a check for any applicable fees, such as $50 for expedited processing. Filing these articles formally ends your LLC's legal existence in Maryland and is a critical step in dissolution process. Distribute remaining assets. Once all debts have been settled and formal dissolution is filed, proceed to distribute any remaining assets among the LLC members. This distribution should follow the guidelines outlined in your operating agreement or comply with state law if no specific terms exist. Properly handling asset distribution helps prevent disputes among members and ensures a fair resolution of remaining resources. Notify creditors and members. Finally, it's important to notify all creditors and members about the dissolution of the LLC. Send copies of the dissolution documentation via certified mail to ensure they receive official notice. This communication not only fulfills legal obligations but also helps maintain transparency among stakeholders, reducing potential misunderstandings or disputes regarding the status of the business after its dissolution. Successfully dissolving your LLC in Maryland requires careful attention to detail and adherence to state regulations. By following the outlined steps, you can ensure a smooth dissolution process, protecting both your interest and those of your fellow members. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.